In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Outlook tasks across devices. If you've ever checked a task on your laptop and wondered why it didn't show up on your phone, the key is the type of email account you're using in Outlook. Task syncing isn't about flipping a special switch. It happens automatically when your account is connected to a server that stores your tasks in the cloud. That's why some people see seamless updates everywhere, and others don't. Here's the simple rule. Tasks sync automatically if your Outlook is connected to a Microsoft 365 work or school account, an Outlook.com or Hotmail.com account, or an Exchange account. These accounts are cloud-based, so your tasks live on a server, and any change you make, like adding a due date or checking something off, can appear on all your devices. On the other hand, POP accounts do not fully sync tasks. POP is an older, download-only style of email connection. With POP, messages and related items are often stored locally on one computer, which means tasks created in Outlook don't reliably travel with you. If you've been using a POP account and wondering why tasks are stuck on one device, that's the reason. To confirm what you're using on a Windows desktop, open Outlook and go to File, then Account Settings, and again, Account Settings. In the Email tab, look for the Type column next to your account. If it says Exchange or Microsoft 365,